All black.
We're about to go for a run here at Baguio. Start na kami. Ang dilim. Aray ko. Ito naman Kakaraw
13% gradient.
Almost 3 km. Hope I can do this. Let's go. 5 k na.
Wait.
So, we pack honey with salt. Para, ano nga ba tawag doon, B? Yung mga ganito sa running? Energy. Morning po. 15 km. I'm super tired.
Ha?
17 km na kami. Nagkakain muna kami. So, we're done eating.
Gusto ko may
And we're back on track. 20 km. Here we go.
Oops! Your memory is full! Joke lang!
So, we're done jogging. We do like 23 km. We're just having coffee. Yun lang. Bye-bye.